Hey everyone, welcome and thank you very much for joining me here. My name is Mike and this is IPO Market Watch and Bull Market Watch. If you want to join Bull Market Watch, the link will be at the bottom of your screen or in the description of the video. It's the Discord. So before I begin this video, I will first talk to you about what this video is about. So this video is about a $2 stock that I believe will hit $3 on November 11th, which is coming up next month. So November 11th, I believe that this $2 stock will hit $3. I'll explain the reasons why in this video, and I don't think it will stop at 3. It will just keep on climbing consistently, slowly after that, right? That's just the way I see it, but still, that's to go from 2 to 3 is a really good gain in a short period of time. And I think that within the next 6 months, it can hit $4 to $6 US, right? So now, this is just my opinion, all right? So before we go into this video, this is just my opinion. All right, so before I give you that $2 stock and explain the reasons why and all that stuff, guys, one of the most recent videos that I did was for DLocal Limited, ticker symbol DLO, trading at $7.99, $8.01 in the pre-market when I was recording the video. And so $8, DLocal, right? DLO. Where is it today? Right now, it is at $9.28 that it closed in after hours on October 9, 2024. Next one, Gevo, ticker symbol GEVO, was one of the most recent YouTube videos I did at 92 cents. And the stock, guys, is at $1.98. Insane gains. Awesome. 100% gains. Now, some other things that I did talk about on the Discord, for example, was on September 25th, 2024, I told them that I would buy EBS at $6.48. And then I updated it because on the next day I sold it at $7.60, which was pretty dumb because then it went a lot higher. I think it went all the way up to 9 or something, but yeah, whatever. This one, guys, keep your eyes on this, all right? Do your due diligence. I'm not going to explain anything. I want you to do your own homework. I'm not telling you to buy it, but do your homework if you want to. Ticker symbol ZYME. This was actually something that I told my Discord members in the beginning of the year, January 10, 2024, that I'll buy it at $11.54. I ended up selling it on September at $12.52. Kind of lost my patience, even though I sold it profitable, right? So profits, no worries. I made money, but I lost my patience. 8 months went by and wasn't really doing anything. And now I kind of regret it because I knew in the back of my mind anyways that towards the end of the year and beginning of 2025 would be the catalyst for their pipeline. So dumb. I shouldn't have sold it. I should just, I was profitable. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, check it out. Now with that out of the way, I think we should start to talk about the stock that I think is a awesome $2 stock. So let's talk about TOC. I was thinking really hard about this joke. Let's talk about TOC. Bad joke. So TOC is at $2.10 on my YouTube video, or I should say was. So I did that YouTube video called 5 Stocks to Buy for Hyper Growth. The stock was trading at $2.10. Right now, TOC finished yesterday, October 9, 2024. It finished yesterday at $2.38. So from $2.10 to $2.38, it's good. You're profitable, that's awesome. So what in the world is going on? What's the update? Well, November 11th, guys, is the earnings for TOC, and I expect that the earnings will be a beat all over the place. They're gonna beat on the GAAP EPS, they're gonna beat on revenue growth, they're gonna have great forecasts going forward. So I think that will be the catalyst to move it to the next level, right? Because prior to the last earnings, it was trading like $1.70 or something like that. So the earnings were great and all that stuff, and then it went to being today right now $2.38. And so November 11th, the same thing. Great earnings, great forward outlook. That's just the way I think it's gonna go down, and the stock will go to $3 because management said that they are moving towards break even by the end of this year and profitability in the first half of 2025. So Talkspace significant revenue growth and nearing profitability signal a potential valuation re-rate, says an analyst, offering meaningful upside with proper execution. There are 2 key growth drivers for Talkspace. One is Medicare, where they already offer through Medicare to 12 US states right now and will be in all 50 US states by the end of Q4 2024. So that's awesome, big catalyst right there. And then the other key growth, the other driver for growth is the Amazon deal, which I talked about in my previous video on Talkspace. So my previous video, I mentioned the Amazon deal, where basically Amazon Health Services will be offering psychotherapy services for anyone who's interested in searching for it on Amazon, and it will only show up Talkspace. So huge deal, huge partnership, and gives Talkspace access to millions of potential customers, and those millions of potential customers now having access to finding out that Talkspace exists. Let's not forget that Talkspace market cap right now is at $354 million. They project that they will end this year of 2024 with $200 million. And guess what? They have zero debt. So Talkspace Incorporation operates as a virtual behavioral healthcare company in the United States. The company offers psychotherapy and psychiatry services through its platform to individuals, enterprises, health plans, employee assistance programs. It provides text, audio, video-based psychotherapy from licensed therapists. 2 weeks ago, we also had more insider purchases for the stock. So these were the insider purchases on September 17, September 18, September 19, and you can see here the purchases that they made at $2.20, at $2.07, and $2.11. Looking at the financial performance of the stock may not look so pretty right now. So if you're looking at this, you're thinking, okay, blue, revenue growth since 2019 is great, awesome, but the earnings are always red, meaning they're not profitable. But guys, in 2023 they got here. 2024 they predicted, and management said that we're going to end 2024 break even, and then get to 2025 first half to see profitability. These are the things that you either believe or you don't. If you don't believe what management says, then you stay out. Their 2024 guidance is that they'll finish from 185 to 195, so close to $200 million, up 23 to 30% year over year in revenue growth. I won't go into the entire balance sheet of the company because it'll be boring, but I'll show you a few points. The revenue from 2019 to 2023 and 2024 projected, right? So it's constantly growing. Total net income, which, we want this to be positive, but it's not. And that's, it looks bad, but it's actually good because we can see how dramatically they have improved since 2022, right? And here it is, 2023, let's say. And then 2024 actually is predicted to be break even. And then positive in 2025. Same thing for free cash flow as we get close to hitting profitability. And then the total debt, guys, zero. Talkspace. They offer mental health services. They offer online psychotherapy, psychiatric services. So I think that this is a sector that's set to grow dramatically. Unfortunately, it sounds, I'm not hoping that everyone goes crazy. I don't want that. But the mental health issue is something that is constantly being talked about on TV. So I believe the mental health treatment, such as the one that Talkspace offers, is something that has growth ahead. All right, that's one. Recent financial performance, the last two earnings, for example, if you look at from Talkspace, are great improvements. The forward guidance given by the company is very encouraging, very awesome. And also the lack of debt. They don't have any debt. So no debt. I mean, I love that stuff. When a company is set to go towards profitability and they have no debt. And you have a stock that seems to be, to me, like a sure winner. But like I said, seems. Nothing in the stock market is 100% sure. For me, though, I'm very bullish on this. You should not trade this at all because of my opinion or because of what I show in this YouTube video. You should trade it only if you do your own due diligence. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to join us on the Discord, the link will be in the comment section below, and take care.